Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to each one of you to the Conclave on Digital Future 5.0, Gen AI, Agentic AI and Governance, organized by the Association of Corporate Advisors and Executives. Today, we come together to explore how artificial intelligence is transforming businesses, professions, and governance, while reminding ourselves that technology reaches its true potential only when guided by human wisdom and ethical values. It is my privilege to invite our esteemed guest of honor, Shri Anil Karaiwala, founder and CEO, Karaiwala Industries Limited, to kindly grace the dais. And I'll also request C. Vivek Agarwal, mentor, C. Neeraj Kumar Harodia, president, and C. Sumit Bihani, chairperson, to kindly escort our guest of honor to the dais. And Vanika, the co-chairperson of ITAA and committee. Let's welcome them with a warm round of applause. May I request everyone to kindly rise for the national song followed by the ACA theme song.
जो कर्म कर विश्वास हो जो धर्म पर, हर नियति में हो गति जग जीत ले तू। हो हौसला चट्टान सा, हो श्वास में तूफान सा, मझधार संसार को अब पार कर जग जीत ले तू। उद्घोष कर हर हृदय में जोश भर, पहचान तू जो लक्ष्य है, जीवन तेरा उत्कर्ष है, जग जीत ले तू। हो सत्यनिष्ठ तेरी डगर, हो रोशनी हर राह पर, अब बस यही पैगाम दे, सृष्टि नए आयाम ले, जग जीत ले तू, जग जीत ले तू, जग जीत ले तू।
Thank you. Kindly be seated. The ceremonial lighting of the lamp symbolizes the victory of knowledge over ignorance and marks the beginning of every auspicious endeavor. May I request our guest of honor, Shri Anil Kariwala ji, to kindly inaugurate the conclave by lighting the ceremonial lamp. May I also request all the dignitaries on the dais, our esteemed speakers, regional council members, EIRC, past presidents, executive committee members present to kindly join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. Santosh Jain ji. May I also request Santosh Jain ji to please to join the same.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि, गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि, गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि, एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि, गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि, एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि, गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
It is now my privilege to introduce our guest of honor. Mr. Anil Kariwala is a business leader and author who blends ancient wisdom with modern entrepreneurship. A chartered accountant, cost and management accountant, and certified public accountant, he founded Kariwala Exports at 21, which has grown into the diversified Kariwala Group with exports to 46 countries across 6 continents and business spanning textiles, PPE, workwear, sustainable bags, real estate, IT, and outsourcing. He serves as founder and CEO of Kariwala Industries Limited, partner at Kariwala and Company LLP, and the trustee of the Bimla Kariwala Foundation, supporting eye care and healthcare initiatives in West Bengal. He has also served as director of SEDEX Information Exchange Limited, UK, and currently holds advisory and technical roles with Gallant Sports India, Accurex Biomedical, and the National Jute Board of India. His qualifications include the Stanford Seed Transformation Program, IIM Ahmedabad's Management Development Program, CPA, CA, CMA, and a BCom from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. He is the author of Business Yoga, Ancient Wisdom for Modern Businesses and People, The Heart of Good Governance, and has been recognized by the UN Global Compact and UN Women for Leadership in Women's Empowerment. His expertise spans apparel, fashion, supply, chains, ethics, and sustainability. It's a privilege to have you, sir, over here. As a token of our respect and gratitude, we shall now felicitate our distinguished guest. I request C. Vivek Agarwal, mentor, to present the Uttario, C. Neeraj Kumar Horodia to present the Memento, and C. Sumit Bihani to present the ACA coffee table to our guest. Thank you, gentlemen. Now, to formally welcome everyone, may I now invite CA Neeraj Kumar Harodia, President ACA, to deliver the welcome address.
Artificial intelligence will not replace human intelligence. It will amplify it. The future belong to those who fear, the future belong not to those who fear AI, but to those who learn to work with it. Namaskar to everyone, respected guest of honor, Sri Anil Kariwalji, our distinguished speakers from across the country, our respected past presidents, mentor of this committee, CA Vivek Agarwal ji, chairperson Sumit Bihani ji, co-chairperson CA Vanika Chaudhary ji, office bearer, executive committee members, distinguished delegates, sponsors, and my dear ACA family. A very warm welcome to all of you. It is indeed a beautiful rainy July morning in Kolkata. July is a very special month for every professionals. It is the month of income tax return filings, long working hours, countless client meetings, and unwavering professional commitment. It is also the sacred month of Rath Yatra, symbolizing movement, transformation, and progress. I believe there could not have been a better time to organize a conclave dedicated to the future of technology, because AI itself represents a new journey, one that is transforming every profession and every industry. Today's theme, Digital Future 5.0, Gen AI, Agentic AI, and Governance, is not merely a conference topic, it is a roadmap for the future. AI is no longer optional, it is becoming the new language of business, governance, taxation, auditing, compliance, and decision making. The question before us is not whether AI will change our profession, the question is whether we are ready to lead the change. It is my absolute privilege to welcome our guest of honor, Sri Anil Kariwalji. For ACA, he is not just an eminent entrepreneur, he is one of our own. I am also delighted to share that on our request, he has graciously agreed to be introduced as patron of ACA. Thank you very much, sir, for your acceptance, and we are deeply honored by his acceptance. Anil ji is the true definition of a karma yogi. He is someone who dislikes wasting even a single second. And telling you honestly, because since he is guest of honor, with our honorable mentor has also decided that today we will start our seminar not at 10, instead of it, start seminar at 9:59. Every minute of his day is invested in creating value, inspiring people, and building institutions. There is an interesting saying that age increases, people generally become hesitant to adopt new technology. But Anil ji has proved exactly the opposite. With every passing year, his wisdom has grown, and so has his curiosity and mastery over AI. He has embraced AI not as a trend, but as a powerful tool for continuous learning and innovation. He is the author of the widely appreciated book, Business Yoga, which beautifully combines entrepreneurship, ethics, and Indian wisdom. Personally, he has been my mentor, and I have learned immensely from his vision, discipline, and positivity. Friends, happy to inform you that he is also leading one of the very signature event in the name of Krishna Concert, and I have been privileged to be part of that Krishna Concert year by year. Sir, thank you for your accepting our invitation and always encouraging ACA. Your presence today inspires all of us. Let me welcome all our distinguished speakers. A warm welcome to CA Dr. Durgesh Pandey from Ahmedabad. Yesterday night when I was having dinner with him, he gave many insights for all we new chartered accountants, that how in this time we should re-evaluate our practice and how we should reorganize ourselves. CA Rahul Gabawala ji from Varanasi, thank you very much for coming. Mr. Arinjay Vyas from Bengaluru, CA Ankit Jalan from Guwahati, Mr. Kal Patrawala from Mumbai. And a very special welcome to our youngest speaker, Master Ishan Jaiswal. He is only 13-year-old At an age, Ishan, can you please stand up so people can see you? Give a big round of applause. So this morning when I was speaking to my daughter, she is also 8-year-old, so I told her कि बेटा देखिए आज हमारे साथ इस प्रोग्राम में जो स्पीकर हैं वो केवल 13 साल के हैं और आई वांट यू शुड लिसन टू हिम आल्सो. तो बोले पापा थोड़ा मेरे को और 2 साल बढ़ने दो, then definitely I will also listen. So at an age when most children are playing video games, Ishan is discussing agentic AI and responsible AI with professionals. Talent has no age and innovation knows no boundaries. And we sincerely thanks to Santosh Jain sir who given this idea that why not to invite speakers like Ishan Jaiswal who is only at the age of 13. Thank you sir, thank you very much. This conclave has been carefully designed to go beyond theory through practical demonstration, hands-on AI sessions, knowledge sharing, governance discussion and networking. Friends, the ACAE has been serving professionals over 6 decades and today I stands proudly with a membership strength of more than 1800 professionals. I am happy to share that this year alone we have welcomed nearly 100 new members and our journey continues. I sincerely invite every professional present today who is not yet a member to join the ACAE family. The last few weeks have been extremely exciting. We successfully organized a full-day company law and valuation seminar and the ACAE Premier League on 21st June when we all were celebrating Yoga Day. Next week, we are organizing a real estate conclave in association with Credai Kolkata. Thereafter, we are planning to have a capital market conclave and a specialized workshop on internal audit. Our signature event, ACAE Annual Conference 2026, will be held on Saturday, 22nd August 2026 at Taj Bengal, Kolkata with the theme Reimagining Bengal, Industry, Innovation and Infinite Possibilities, bracket 3I. This year, we are introducing an exclusive AI Experience Center where all delegates will experience cutting-edge AI solution through live demonstrations. On 11 September, when I took charge as president of ACAE, I had only one dream: to make ACAE a platform where every member gets an opportunity to contribute. With the blessing of our respected past presidents, office bearers, EC members, subcommittee teams, we have successfully organized more than 25 major programs covering professional education, fellowship, sports, leadership, and lifestyle. The Bhagavad Gita reminds us, Yoga Karmashu Kaushalam. Excellence in action is yoga. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phalesu kadachana. Your right is to perform your duty, never be attached to the results. Today I proudly say that ACAE has reached a stage where the president's role is simply to welcome everyone. The real work is done by our empowered committee who is sitting here. My heartfelt appreciation goes to mentor CA Vivek Agarwal ji, chairperson CA Sumit Biyani ji, co-chairperson CA Vanika Chaudhary ji, and every member of the IT and AI subcommittee. A very special word of thanks to our good friend CA Syam Agarwal ji and all our title partners, sponsor, knowledge partners and technology partner. Once again, I welcome each one of you. I wish you an enriching day filled with learning, meaningful discussions, valuable networking and new ideas that will help us prepare for the future. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words. May I now request C. Vivek Agarwal, mentor of the ITA and AI Committee, to share his thoughts on the theme of today's conclave, Gen AI, Agentic AI and Governance.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Yes, today I would say I am the most happiest person here because in September 2022, when I was the president of this August organization, I had started the annual conference with a difference where the theme was DIA, Digitalization, Institutionalization and Artificial Intelligence. From there till here, having a dedicated program on AI, that's dream come true for someone who thought of it 4 years back. And then people used to say annual conference is all about tax, accounts, audit. With this, today's topic is a bit different because we have 3 themes: Gen AI, agentic AI and governance. And many a time, I get a call, Vivek, मुझे AI सिखा दो ना. Yeah, I got a call from one of my team also, Vivek भैया, I have been told कि आपसे AI समझ के audit ऐसे करना है. Friends, number one, AI is an ecosystem and it's very large. So in this ecosystem, what is there for us, we are trying to inculcate that over here with this full day program. Gen AI, automation is the need of the hour, and we have one of the youngest speakers speaking on same, along with governance. Whenever we think of AI and IT, governance follows, because responsible AI is the need of an hour. Just uploading everything and anything on this on the AI or LLMs is not good for your organization and neither good for you, because there are various movies you can watch out where it is told that if technology starts following you, it's difficult for you. And I am thankful to President Neeraj ji, because as he said, we have free hand to decide the speakers, decide the topics, and no interference with the president, and that is how ACI works, where the team actually works. Congratulations to Chairman Sumit Bihani for organizing such a great event, supported by Vanika and our very own Shyam Agarwal. Friends, just remember that Gen AI is transforming how we create. Agentic AI is transforming how we work. And governance will determine how responsibly we innovate. AI is no longer just a technology discussion. It is now a boardroom priority, a business imperative, and a professional necessity. And today, we are not here to discuss the future. We are here to experience it. And if you miss any of the sessions, I am telling you, you'll be missing many part of it. Apart from this session of the main hall, we also have a parallel session where you can have hands-on of whatever the speaker speaks over here, and you can have that experience in the parallel hall also. And by mistake, you miss any part. Vivek, I went to parallel hall, and in main hall also there was something very interesting happening. We have full recording of the videos. Please visit ACI YouTube channel, and you can see all the sessions we had, not only today, but also during COVID, where we used to have ACI at 4 o'clock, ACI at 11 o'clock. So without taking much time, have a happy learning, innovative learning, and let's be ready for today, not for future. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek ji, for setting the perfect context for today's discussions. I now have the pleasure of inviting CA Sumit Bihani, Chairperson of the IT and AI Committee, to share a few words about today's conclave and what participants can look forward to.
Thank you, Rashmidi, and good morning all. Good morning. So we are in a difficult time. Why difficult? People are saying AI would make our life easy. I believe it will make our life equally difficult, because I had a privilege to discuss with Ishan the other day. He was in Ladakh, and this gentleman was telling me, gentleman is a wrong word, so this young speaker was telling me that, I can automate GST automation, I can open Tally, I can do this, I can do that, and I was like, अरे भाई ये CA का तो नौकरी खाने के लिए लगा हुआ है क्या? And again in a difficult time, because had I spoken an amazing speech, people would have said, अरे ChatGPT से लिखवा लिया होगा, right? So one side the expectations are going high, other side the benchmarks are getting higher, right? So majority of us have to understand that AI will take our jobs. We hear this, analog saying CAs would be relevant, AI हमारे को कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. But if you understand, the bottom of a pyramid will obviously get eroded, right? The repetitive jobs are the first jobs which would be going, correct? So take this with a pinch of salt or the way you want to, but yes, difficult times ahead. Life easy हो नहीं हो, difficult तो ज़रूर होने वाली है, because of expectations and because of the, people like him without doing CA trying to take our jobs, correct? Some part of our jobs, not all part of our jobs. So this is one. Second, this session has been curated in a manner that you have a hands-on session and you have a practical learning session, because theory builds base and practical will empower you. मेरे को लोगों ने फ़ोन करके बोला आप दो क्यों करते हैं, पैरेलल क्यों कर रहे हैं? सर पैरेलल नहीं करेंगे तो आप सीखेंगे कैसे? आपको मैजिक दिखाना इज़ नॉट द ऑब्जेक्टिव. द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज़ कि आप उसको करके जाएं. सो वी हैव इंश्योर्ड कि रिकॉर्डिंग्स रहें, रिकॉर्डिंग्स को हम अपलोड करेंगे एंड आप उसको जब भी चाहे रेफ़र कर सकते हैं. एंड एक और छोटी सी चीज़ है कि एक रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी तरफ से, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अस स्पोक वेरी गुड अबाउट स्टफ, बट देयर इज एज अ चेयरमैन आई फेस दिस डिफिकल्टी दैट ऑल ऑफ अस थिंक दैट हम लास्ट डे को जाके रजिस्टर करेंगे. सो अगर थोड़ा पहले कमिटमेंट मिलता है तो लाइफ ईजी हो जाती है टू अरेंज दी सेशन एंड दी लॉजिस्टिक्स कि वहाँ 30 चेयर लगाएं, ज़्यादा तो कम तो नहीं लगेगी, ज़्यादा तो नहीं लगेगी. तो एक रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप थोड़ा पहले कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाते हो तो लाइफ बिकम्स वेरी ईजी. एंड with this I welcome you to the joining this session, and I'm thankful to Durgesh sir because he was in my FIP3, so I consider him to my guru. And even during difficult times I reach out to him कि sir इस situation में कैसे करना चाहिए. So believe me, you have a great opportunity and to learn from him, and that's why he's given the first session कि हम एकदम we'll set the expectation in the right tone. So thank you so very much. I'll not waste my time. A round of applause for all of you who have joined us at 10 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumit. Your vision and efforts have played an important role in bringing this conclave together, and we wish the event every success. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been eagerly waiting for. It is my proud privilege to invite our guest of honor, Shri Anil Kariwala ji, founder and CEO Kariwala Industries Limited, to deliver the keynote address on balancing technology, entrepreneurship, and human wisdom in the digital future.
Jai Shri Krishna, ladies and gentlemen, and the young man Ishan. Right? You should have called him a gentleman. He's a perfect gentleman, I can see him. So, it's such an honor, privilege, pride to be here this wonderful morning. और नीरज की स्पीच से मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी, तुरंत सीखी अभी. सोच बदलो, देश बदलेगा. जुलाई महीना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, रिटर्न्स फाइल कर रहा है, दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं, but it's a wonderful month. It is a wonderful month. If you think of something with joy and find joy in it, that is finding happiness is something which is in our hand. So I'm not going to speak about AI. I know this session is about AI. I leave that to Durgesh ji and to young Ishan. You know, amazing things that you're doing with agentic AI. My topic is philosophical. Neeraj considers me to be a small-time philosopher, and I think life is all about philosophy. So I cobbled up this presentation, and I have never, whenever I speak, I try my best कि दिल से बात करूं. So don't consider it as a keynote speech. Consider it as a keynote discussion. If you have a cordless mic, it will be much better. So थोड़ा घूम के बात करें यहाँ. ऐसा लगता है कि बिल्कुल बंद गए यहाँ. Yeah, so clicker आपके पास हो तो ठीक है, otherwise आप click कर देना इसको. So ऑन है थोड़ी ज़्यादा ही ऑन है थोड़ा. ओके. सो माय टॉपिक इज बैलेंसिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ह्यूमन विजडम एंड डिजिटल फ्यूचर. दिस ब्रिंग्स मी टू द, मुझे आप क्लिकर देंगे? कैन यू गिव मी द क्लिकर सो आई विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड माई सेल्फ. So you can see me. This is done by Claude से बनाया मैंने. You can figure it out already, you know. And it took all of 10 minutes to do that. So it's a big question mark. Let us begin with the basics. Since we are talking about wisdom is asking questions. Have you heard of ontology? Anyone who's heard of ontology? Ontology is branch of philosophy. Philosophy की branch है metaphysics. जो कुछ physical नहीं है, वो metaphysical है. Right? It is metaphysical. Of physics, metaphysics की एक branch है ontology. Ontology to ask why is it there? ये mic है क्या? Is it here? That is just asking a very question. ये mic है. That is basically ontology. To question the existence of something is ontology. Another part of philosophy is epistemology. Epistemology is the knowledge of knowledge. Known, unknown. आपने सुना ना जोहारी matrix? Known, unknown. What you know, do you know what you know? Is epistemology. शब्दों का जाल फेल छोड़ते हैं. Let's come to philosophy. Philosophy is made up of two words. Philo is love, Greek word है, Greek Latin से है rather, and Sophia is wisdom. So philosophy is nothing but love for wisdom. That's what philosophy is all about. Let's try to simplify. So the first question I ask is balance के बारे में बात थी. So what is balance? Balance is not something which is equal. Balance is what is it that we are prepared to forego, what is we are prepared to let go to achieve. नीरज ने शुरू में ही गीता के श्लोक कहे तो मैं भी थोड़ी बहुत नीरज का के सानिध्य में रहते रहते युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्त चेष्टस्य कर्मसु, right? Is anything that we do with a certain method, in a way, in a balance, is yoga, right? But our discussion today is not about yoga. Our discussion is about philosophy. And philosophy and yoga को साथ साथ जाना ही है. Which brings me to this one, technology. What is technology? अभी हम लोग से basics define कर रहे हैं. Topic ऐसा दिया है, balancing technology, क्या क्या था? Human mind, human wisdom, entrepreneurship. Now, technology has only one function. एक ही काम है. Technology is not just about machines. It's not at all machines. Anything that gives us the most finite resource. There is only one thing which is most finite and most limited, that is time. Anything that frees up our time is technology. For that matter, even yoga is a technology. It's a way that enables you to do far much more in less amount of time. दो हम करते ही नहीं हैं, प्राय लोग करेंगे, कल करेंगे, और जिस दिन कर लेते हैं उस दिन ही बताते हैं आजकल योग करते हैं ना. So that is how it goes. So don't consider technology merely as machines. Any mechanics for that matter, not just quantum mechanics, right? Mechanics of anything, a set of doing something that we do is technology. One function, save time. Then comes to entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, Ishan, any idea what is entrepreneurship? When you start up
business of your own.
When you start up a business, basically, there is a fundamental difference between business, entrepreneurship, and profession. Business is repeating something. Profession is something which is requiring a lot of skill, a lot of very specialized skill. So it could be in a profession of CA, CPA, lawyer, or medicine, and so on, requiring a very special, or carpentry also, or plumbing also, which are probably the jobs which are going to be most secure after agentic AI. AI agents नहीं शायद बना पाएंगे जब तक क्यों, but we will want to hear you. You know, just this morning, we were doing morning walk, and a friend of mine, ये agent होता क्या है? What is this AI agent? And to explain it simply enough, LLM language models जो हैं, they are the brain. लेकिन ब्रेन तो ये माइक उठा नहीं सकता है ना. सो माइक उठाएगा हाथ. योर हैंड इज योर ब्रेन्स एजेंट. वेरी सिंपल. योर हैंड इज योर ब्रेन्स एजेंट. AI एजेंट है स्पेसिफिक टू द वर्क, टू दैट LLM के साथ में अगर आपने कुछ निकाला है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू डाउनलोड एन AI एजेंट. यू कैन कॉल इट एन AI एजेंट, Granola. आई एम नॉट अ शेयर होल्डर इन दैट. So I can see maybe ACI can do it next time, green conference, no papers, no pens. Make the note taking done by Granola. Initially it is free of cost. I am not the shareholder, disclaimer, मैं founder तक को नहीं जानता हूँ. You know Granola, Ishan, I am sure you must be knowing, right? Granola bar खाते हैं ना वो. So entrepreneurship is something that begins. It begins only by one thing. Going back to ontology. Beginning with questions. जो questions पूछ सकता है वही entrepreneur बन सकता है. जो status quo में basically there are two types of people, conscious and compulsive. Conscious people would always know why they are doing what they are doing. Very simple. ज़्यादा लंबी चौड़ी philosophy नहीं है. अगर हमें पता है कि हम क्यों क्या कर रहे हैं, so we are conscious. If we are compulsive, करना है बिकॉज की बोला गया है, बिकॉज और लोग कर रहे हैं, दैट इज कंपल्सिवनेस. दैट इज द द रूट वर्ड ऑफ भीड़ इज व्हाट? भीड़. भीड़ और भीड़ is the root of that. So entrepreneurship is starting something. How do you start? You start only with questions. This brings me to wisdom. Now, as we talked about wisdom, wisdom is, all of us know, wisdom is applied knowledge. सभी को पता है, knowledge है, apply किया है. We all know कि wisdom is, knowledge is that tomato is a fruit, but wisdom is not to put into fruit salad. Very simple. सब कोई जानते हैं कि tomato. But think of all of you. Is there anyone who doesn't use Google Maps in the room? Can't be. You don't use Google Maps. Wow, amazing. Kudos to you. ठीक है, that means you are wired with your inner sense of direction, right? Google Maps जो है, they rely on something very analog. Google Map is totally dependent on triangulation by mobile towers, which gives you the position. But there is one thing, उसके बिना Google Map या कोई भी navigation system चल नहीं सकता है. That is a magnet. And the magnet sitting within your phone. Phone के speakers magnet से बनते हैं. Magnet है तो north pole है उसका, north है, north pole, south pole of the magnet. North pole बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? No, north pole of the magnet. उस magnet के बिना जब तक north उसको पता नहीं होगा, तब तक वो navigate नहीं कर सकता. That north is the wisdom. That north is how, that north is the disha, map is the drishti. So drishti और disha, इन दोनों में अगर balance होता है, then we are able to reach anywhere. One thing I always say, AI is, as you rightly said, AI is making things so efficient. Anything repetitive will just go away. But believe me, there is no point efficiently doing something that should not be done in the first place. किसी चीज़ को करना ही नहीं चाहिए, उसको हम बहुत efficiently बना देते, अरे क्या काम कर रहे हैं, करना ही नहीं चाहिए. So that is where entrepreneurship would come in. Which brings me to digital. Now digital, believe me, it is as close as humanly possible to metaphysical. Metaphysical we all know, physical जो 3 dimensions में होता है, digital कौन से dimension में है? It's just binaries, 0 1s, 0 1s, 0 1s. Dvaitvad, that is what in our philosophy, Dvait, Advait होता है ना, आपने सुना होगा, that is Dvaitvad. It's just a binary, is 0 1s का combination में. So, and as we get closer to getting digital, a lot of things will lose their meaning altogether. All of us, I know, young people, तुमको तो पता ही नहीं है, there used to be share certificates, उसमें transfer deed लगती थी. पता है? How do you know? His dad must have memory. Museum में रखा हुआ होगा. Dad had a share certificate होते थे, transfer deed fill up करनी पड़ती थी और stamp लगाते थे, fill up करते थे. और एक शेयर मार्केट में एक आंटी होती थी, किसी के सिग्नेचर मिसमैच होती तो 20 रुपए में सिग्नेचर की ड्राइंग कर देती थी. याद है ना, मनोज को याद है, as and we appreciated it. We were trying to make the process very efficient. लेडी का नाम मुझे याद नहीं था, संतोष जी, चमत्कार, आप बिल्कुल एक्सपर्ट हैं. पारेख जी ना, right? It was a pleasure meeting you, sir. So we were optimizing the process, optimized. और पता चला कि उस प्रोसेस को जितना ही ऑप्टिमाइज करें, the solution was in doing DMAT, right? And everything has changed. Which brings us to future. Now, let's ask the youngest one. As I said, it is not a keynote speech, it is a discussion. What is future? That will happen, okay. Any more volunteers for telling what is future? Which we cannot see now. That means it doesn't exist, right? Future is something just like tomorrow. It doesn't exist. कभी नहीं आएगा. It is basically anything that is being shaped by the actions that we are taking right now. उसके इसी क्षण के जो actions, जो decisions हम ले रहे हैं, that is what is defining future. इतना से future. So this much about definitions. Last में क्या बाकी रह गया था? That is about this. So this brings me to what are the ideas. And I will try my best to throw up two ideas before the august members of Association of Corporate Advisors and Executives. And I can see a very august gathering, very intelligent people. इस crossroads के बारे में बात ही नहीं करते हैं because it is not even an option. You know, I was thinking to give a crossroad, then I didn't remove it from the presentation. क्योंकि presentation 10 मिनट में बनाया और I sent it. This is crossroad. This is AI versus non-AI. It is not even an option. Because AI, don't consider that as a software. AI जो है software ही नहीं. AI is a replication of neural network of your mind. Our mind runs on synapses, neurotransmitters. Synapses हैं. In our brain there might be 20 billion synapses. छोटे-छोटे synapses are cells, the space between one cell to another. AI में it is parameters. कितनी parameters का उतना larger models होता चला जाता है, and so on. But I will leave the technology stuff about AI to the real deserving people about AI. Let us come to the philosophy. What is this? What is this? Very simple. This is a wheel, right? This is the oldest invention of human beings. सबसे पुराना invention है. This is the oldest invention. Or maybe tools were probably the invention. So tools and wheels might have gone together. How many of us have traveled with a लोहे का trunk? I have traveled. लोहे का trunk? आपने किया है. मैं लोहे के trunk में, लोहे के trunk bedding लेके जाते थे 3 टायर में, बीच में trunk लगा के, bedding लगा के. We would all have such a great time. You would not know, young lady. You would not know. You also know. You won't know that. लोहे का trunk पता है? अच्छा. Now the thing is, लोहे का trunk भी बहुत पुराना आविष्कार है. Very, very old. But you see on the right side, लोहे का trunk पुराना आविष्कार है, wheel पुराना आविष्कार है, लेकिन इन दोनों की शादी पता कब हुई? लोहे के trunk की और wheel की शादी हुई 1974 में, जिसने इन्वेंशन किया, and that was good 6 years after going to the moon. चांद पर इंसान चला गया है, और अगर नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग if were to take luggage on the moon, he would be lifting it up like this. या फिर हावड़ा स्टेशन में कूली 3 लेके जाते थे, एक साथ में लगा के उसके बगल में हैंड बैग और टांग देते थे, मुझे याद है. So that is it rocket technology to put wheels on luggage? But it took 5 years after the invention to adopt. And in India, it came even 5 years after that. जी कुछ आंखें मार रहा है मुझसे, लेकिन ठीक है. So that is how. Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. As long as it doesn't flicker here, it is perfectly okay. Because the slides are done already. There is nothing written on the slide. So I'm just sharing whatever little thoughts came to my mind. We adopted wheels, luggage with wheels in India way in 1980s. Mid-1980s, now everyone does it. Now India or Bharat, जिसे कहते हैं, rural India में भी wheels आ गई हैं luggage में. This has happened. Very simple. Which brings me to my favorite conference in the world. मेरी वर्ल्ड की हम सबके जन्म के पहले की कॉन्फ्रेंस थी 1896. हाँ? No, it is not that one. It is 1896. इसमें आपको क्या दिख रहा है? अब क्या बताऊं इस मॉर्निंग में. अब ये जो है, this is young man, this is horse. Shit. Sorry, I didn't want to use the language, but it has to be. There's no other choice. Now, this is horse shit. 1896 में एक कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में. कॉन्फ्रेंस की समस्या ये थी, बड़ी समस्या का सुझाव करने के लिए हम सब की तरह से उस वक्त के एसोसिएशन ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट एडवाइजर्स और साइंटिस्ट सब लोग बैठे कि ये समस्या को सॉल्व करें कि न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में हर आदमी पैसे वाला हो रहा था. एज यू आर गेटिंग रिचर you get a vehicle. So everybody started having Maruti 800 equivalent, one ghoda, one horse. Everybody started having horse. Jab everybody started having horses, the more accomplished ones, they said कि Maruti 800 से नहीं चलेगा, you know, Maruti 1000 चाहिए, esteem चाहिए. So they decided I will have a horse cart, one horse. Yes. Then everybody started having horse carts. Traffic jam, and then everybody decided, the richer ones decided, no, nahi chalega. I want to have one horse cart with 2 horses. You know, I would want to have a buggy. Then all Rockefellers of the world of that time, they said, doesn't work. So I will have buggy with 6 horses. That is where the term horsepower comes from. You know, itne horsepower ki car hai. 6 horsepower ka. Now everybody is getting richer and they are having horses. अब हॉर्स बेचारे खाएंगे तो जाएंगे. So now they had the entire city was with, and I'm not making it up. Look up, you will find out. There was conference documents are also available on the internet. Look for the horse shit conference 1896. उसके documents की discussion जो है वो भी मिलेंगे आपको. There was an entrepreneur of that time, Ishan. There was a young man of your age probably. उसने हॉर्स फूड बनाया कि हॉर्स पावर फूड, हॉर्स पूरा खाएगा, चलेगा पूरा. सॉरी आपने कह दिया, जाएगा नहीं. सो दैट वाज द सोल्यूशन, बट सोल्यूशन नहीं आया. द प्रॉब्लम विथ हॉर्स शिट वाज स्टिल देयर. बीमारियां हो रही थी. कम 1903 मॉडल टी, फोर्ड मोटर कंपनी, हेनरी फोर्ड इन्वेंटेड द असेंबली लाइन. द ऑटोमोबाइल वाज ऑलरेडी इन्वेंटेड इन 1898 at that time, but assembly line came into being, changed the process. As a result of which, automobiles were immediately affordable. The moment they became affordable, then horse shit problem was gone. The problem was, why did it not solve the problem? Because they were looking at solving the problem of shit. They needed to focus on the horses. They were trying to make horses more efficient rather than removing the horses altogether. Probably ACAI could take a lead into identifying a couple of things which I am trying to suggest just after this one. कि horses आए, ऑटोमोबाइल में आई, ऑटोमोबाइल से धुएं की प्रॉब्लम हुई, उस प्रॉब्लम को बनने में 100 साल लग गए. Then we invented the electric vehicles and the smoke problem is also gone. So this much about the presentation. Now, presentation को छोड़ देते हैं. We have a discussion now. The greatest problem in the country today, which is the greatest impediment to our society, to the corporate world, is trust. Why trust? Because there is no mechanism to resolve disputes. No mechanism. And unfortunately, the law is so highly tilted. Any lawyers here with due respect? Couple of lawyers. Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Have you heard of anyone, how many of you have heard of anyone who has gotten justice delivered by the court of law and you benefited from it? They don't exist. Rare exceptions are always there. Do you know anyone, court se faisla aa gaya aur kaam ho gaya? They don't exist. I have not come across anyone. And lawyer sir, aapko jarur koi na koi mile honge, but only probably the reason the justice person would have accepted, because the system is so heavily tilted in favor of crooks and the rich. I have nothing against being rich. I think it's very, very important to सुखस्य मूल धर्मस्य, धर्मस्य मूल अर्थस्य. अर्थ बहुत important है, होना ही चाहिए. The justice system is so highly tilted in favor of, because I and Ishan get into a dispute. Ishan is a rich guy because Santoshji is there. And we enter into a dispute and I lose. I win. Suppose I win. He goes to the High Court. Again I win. He goes to the Supreme Court. Now I don't have the wherewithal to fight it. Question is, a paradigm shift that we need to do is, we are trying to make more judges, more courts, everybody's discussion is happening. More courts chahiye, more judges chahiye, more lawyers chahiye. With due respect, I personally feel that lawyers probably do a negative contribution to the society. With due respect, take my words with a pinch of salt only. It is only for the sake of discussion, sir. Why? Because probably they create mistrust in the society. A society that doesn't have trust, but trust can only work if the trusting people have a chance that law would stand by their side. Trust, agar enforce nahi ho sakta hai, so that trust is not even worth the paper it is written on. An agreement in India today, I know there is a LexLogic company which is there. You guys are doing a great job. And LexLogic guys, are you here? They, right? Anyone in the auditorium for that? So, okay, coming to that, probably the cure is have only AI courts, AI judge, and AI lawyers. Why is it possible? AI can read documents. All of anyone who has even used basic LLMs would already know that AI can read documents far better than human beings can. Everyone knows that. AI can draft much better than what a human lawyer can do that, with due respect once again, sir. What human lawyers can do that. अगर lawyer generate कर सकता है, तो judge क्यों नहीं कर सकता है? Somebody has to bring this thought. Maybe this platform could be the spark plug, create a spark that maybe is it a process that commercial disputes, why would they take forever? If they ever get resolved, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, उससे कम में dispute resolve हो ही नहीं सकता. Resolve तब होता है जब litigants में से कोई एक litigant मर जाता है या bankrupt हो जाता है and so on. In China, when there is a dispute between two individuals in the court, commercial companies can have lawyers appointed. But if two individuals, एक पड़ोसी से लड़ाई आपकी अगर हो गई है, तो you directly go to the judge only. Both of them, there is no need for the middleman lawyer. No need for that. Probably, we can cause a paradigm shift when ontology and is working with paradigms. Paradigms society में set हो जाते हैं. Technology has only one ability to change the paradigm shift. For example, yes, sir.
The whole court system we see Western, like the tea was copied. Same way all this legal system started from China. So that's where it started. We copied a lot of those things, but we missed on this very important part which you are saying.
In China, the court system, to the best of my knowledge, started from Magna Carta. Magna Carta, Anglo-Saxon jurisprudence is. So, the Anglo-Saxon jurisprudence only. लेकिन हमारी jurisprudence जो है, मनुस्मृति is that only. और अर्थशास्त्र is that only. न्यायशास्त्र के बारे में हम जानते नहीं हैं, मीमांसा. But I am not talking here to talk about ancient wisdom. I am sharing with you, it is very, very important to go back to basics, ontology. मैंने वो बड़ा सा क्वेश्चन मार्क इसलिए लगाया कि अपने आप से प्रश्न करें कि ये प्रोसेस जो है, what is it that I can change? I know legal process, legal system will take a lot of time to change because that is judiciary is a separate branch and judiciary does only one thing, it doesn't let go of the power. And I believe half of the judges are people with high IQ, intelligent people, honest people, people who know what they are doing. Other half के लिए नहीं बोलूँगा मैं. But you know, you can infer. Contempt of court. So, coming to, look at that paradigm shift. It could be a possibility. AI can do that. Second possibility is, you saw it in news all the time. कि नीट के पेपर्स लीक हो गए, राइट? नो, तो लीक हुआ इस साल पता चला. हाउ मेनी डॉक्टर्स आर हैंगिंग अराउंड जो लीक पेपर से डॉक्टर बने हुए हों और पता चले कि आपका ही सर्जन निकला वो? नहीं, मध्य प्रदेश में सर्जन था ना. There was last year there was something in news. There was a surgeon in Madhya Pradesh who did, can you imagine, he did bypass surgeries without being a surgeon. So that also happened. Now the paradigm shift which I am proposing is, and I am giving it to you, I know it is not really relevant directly to your profession, but you can use these two as an example to find out just the way some entrepreneur thought that it is important to marry luggage and wheels. इनकी दोनों की शादी करा दो ना, इतना ही तो काम किया, लेकिन 10,000 साल से चल रहे थे. It was so, some of the simplest things are so difficult you can't even see. The answers sometimes are right in front of our eyes. Now, NEET के लिए government is deploying military. मैंने सुना कि military army officers would accompany the question papers. Why? Now, if somebody asks why, somebody goes to ontology and asks why we are doing that, to secure कि paper को चुरा ना सके. Now, the solution of that is AI. The solution of that is to create a question bank of 2 lakh questions, for example. And at every center, at that center, automatically 10 different sets of question papers would be printed. And if it is physical tests are required, because in India, computer test may still some time lagegi. When I did my CPA from USA, the question papers were completely randomized. You have to sit, go to a Thomson Prometric. Any CPAs here? Okay. So CPA करने के लिए, all it was so easy. Go to sit down to a computer, book your own test appointment, go to the examination center, not a shred of paper you can carry with you can't carry your phone. Sit down in the examination center, Thomson Prometric का होता था, and the questions would come randomly. तो leak होगा कैसे? So one way could be that these are 2 lakh questions. AI generates the question paper that morning at the examination center. Create an examination center, questions print हो जाएगा. That's it. फिर कोई आर्मी की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर कोई बंदे को 2 लाख questions के आंसर सारे याद कर जाए तो he does deserve to be a doctor यार. He should deserve to be a doctor. If he knows all the answers to 2 lakh questions or 5 lakh questions, make the question bank to be bigger, publish the question bank. Publish the question bank. These are the questions, these are available, all questions will be randomly picked up and you solve the problem. That solution lies in that wheels of the luggage. Solution could be simpler with technology. Technology doesn't essentially mean only AI. AI is going to enable our prowess to have better answers. But AI can only give as good answers as young Ishan would be able to tell as the question that you pose to it. You pose a better question, you give a better prompt, you set a better context. Most people I have seen, they ask AI को 2 line के question जैसे Google को पूछते हैं ना, वैसे पूछते हैं. It doesn't answer, doesn't work. You have to set an entire context. I give you a very interesting thing. नीरज का परसों फ़ोन है और मेरी आवाज़ बिल्कुल चोक थी. नीरज ने पूछा इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? Remember everyone, remember the dialogue, तुमको याद नहीं. So my voice was completely choked. And I thought कि अब डॉक्टर के पास जाना ही पड़ेगा. And I use project feature. Many of you must be using project feature of Claude and ChatGPT. So the project of my health, it is a project. इसमें सारी मेरी history बचपन से लेकर आज तक की सब कुछ है इसमें. Everything is there. What were the test reports that were done by Thyrocare or SRL today, and 1mg, everything is contained in that, in the project. And my problem was, I was having a sore throat, and I thought I will go and see an ENT for that. Naturally, sore throat है तो आप ENT specialist के पास ही जाएंगे. That is the first thought that comes to your mind. I said that ChatGPT started asking me questions. I gave the entire context, and I also said कि नीरज का फ़ोन आया था, मैं बात ही नहीं कर पाया, सन्नाटा था पूरा. I could not talk, and I am supposed to share with very bright people, and my voice must be functioning. It is partially functioning, but it happened like a miracle. I'll tell you what happened. And you would know the power of AI, provided we use it. Provided we know, we ask questions. If we start, look up what ontology is, dig deeper into it, figure it out, then it will improve your ability to ask questions. So मैंने question पूछा, ChatGPT ने मेरे से फिर question पूछा कि what are the symptoms? Are you having any pain near your ears? I said, ears pe to nahi hai. I have a little bit of a swelling here. I still am nursing, much less. It kept on asking me questions. Are you having an itching in the eyes? Strange question. Gale ke iske liye? Yes. Then it asked me, are you having any itching on your scalp? I found कि थोड़ी सी itching scalp में हो रही थी पिछले 4-5 दिनों से. And it turned out to be, then it asked me, which shampoo are you using? मैंने कहा जो रहता ही नहीं है उसके लिए क्यों खर्च करूं? That's what I told AI, कि जो टिकना ही नहीं चाह रहा है उसके लिए खर्च तो shampoo. Then he said, one of the reasons is, you need to go and see a dermatologist. It was just yesterday morning I went to Dr. Dinesh Havalia, Salt Lake में हमारे रहते हैं, dermatologist, and shared the entire story. He sat with me for half an hour yesterday. And I showed him AI की सारी चीजें, scalp की photo खींची थी मैंने. Then it asked me, give me pictures of your scalp and show me pictures of your throat and everything, and suggested me to go to the dermatologist. I can bet you, first is ENT specialist के पास मैं चला जाता, probably he would not tell me to go to the dermatologist. If he would have said, मेरे trust deficit है ना, मन में आता जरूर यार इसका commission इन डॉक्टर से, या टेस्ट कराने बोल देते तो मन में आता कि नहीं टेस्ट क्यों कराने बोल रहे हैं. So that is the power of AI, power of how effectively you are able to use it. So in summary, human wisdom is not just ability to have better answers, but better questions. Have people near you who not only would answer your questions, but question your answers back. AI did only one thing, question my answers back. AI is a people pleaser, believe me, because it is not just a software. It works on synapses, it works on parameters which are replica of synapses. हमारे natural orientation is to please other people. यार क्यों बुरा बोलें यार, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, क्यों बुरा बोलें, सब ठीक रहें. That is what all the average people, all well-meaning people would do that only. Am I running out of time? I know. I'm just done. थोड़ी दिल की बातें थी. So you called it as a keynote speech, but I would rather like to have more of a discussion. I'm very eager to hear. So, ladies and gentlemen, all I would say is, I'd build up the ability to question the status quo. Remember that wheels on luggage. Remember that horse shit conference. 7 दिन तक conference चली थी, not 1 day, 2 day, because they said कि बीमारियां हो जाएगी. Because New York City would be laden with horse shit. And there will be no cure for that. People would die because of that. And everybody said कि नहीं उसको घोड़ा छोड़ देना चाहिए, पड़ोसी को घोड़ा छोड़ना चाहिए. The way we say ना कि this guy should be looking after sustainability and environment. So with this, let us form the future. The topic of discussion with digital future, which is as close to metaphysical. Find out ways you can apply your wisdom by asking better questions. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you very much, sir. Your address has beautifully reminded us that artificial intelligence can accelerate innovation. It is human wisdom, ethics, and vision that will continue to shape the future. Now, to propose vote of thanks, may I invite CA Vanika Chaudhary, Co-Chairperson, IT and AI Committee, ACA.
Thank you so much. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious session. On behalf of the organizing committee, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Shri Anil Kariwala Sirji, for graciously accepting our invitation and inspiring us with your insightful address. So, the crux of his keynote was basically from identifying problems to finding solutions and building trust around those solutions. And this all starts by asking the right questions. I also express my sincere thanks to our distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, and all invitees for honoring us with your presence. My appreciation goes to the organizing committee, volunteers, and every member of the team whose dedication and hard work made this inaugural ceremony a success. I would also like to thank our technical and support staff for ensuring that every aspect of today's event is conducted smoothly. Finally, I thank all the participants and audience for your enthusiastic presence and encouragement. With gratitude to everyone who contributed to this memorable beginning, I conclude my vote of thanks. I wish you all a productive and enriching event ahead. So can we assemble for a group photo? AC members, speakers.
I'll request all the EC members, the speakers, and all the speakers on that, please, sir, to join us for the group photograph. And the committee members on AI, Shyam, you can also join. And past presidents of ACA. Please join us for the group photograph.